guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this easy, gorgeous yarn braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam, my rat tail comb, my yarn, and some rubber bands to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by sectioning out the yarn, guys, measuring how much I'm going to use for each strand. And I decided I was going to do about 15 for each strand. So what I'm going to do is I'll make sure I section for the whole head, guys. I'm going to have about 30 braids in my hair. Got this, stand from Amazon, of course. I wanted to just make sure I section the yarn out for my whole head. And then I'm just going to be taking it and then using it as I go along. I'm going to start sectioning from the back, as you guys already know what it is. This is the easiest. Somebody say, Tupo, give me the easiest method that you can braid. You can do your braids. We can have like cute braids, but very, very easy. And I don't know how to grip roots is, so I need something that's gonna work for me. So I said, sister, don't worry. I got you, sis. And then I'm going to be using my rubber bands to secure the section right there. I'm going to also be using the same rubber bands, so make sure you're just, placing the rubber bands on. You're not even tying them too tight or anything like that. I have to do this because, my hair is thick or whatever. If I don't use the rubber bands to section the hair, it's just going to get messed up and I have to do this all over again, sis. I have about 30 pieces all together. I made sure I have enough, I have the same exact, measurements that I have with the yarn. For each section, I'm going to have 15 strands, guys. So this is what I'm doing. I have 15, that way I can have like a traditional braid. So I decided I'm going to take 5 and then 10 will be for the bigger piece. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rubber band off. I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, apply it to the scalp or whatever, and then I'll section the hair into 2. So I'm going to take the little piece, the 5 strands, placing it in the middle, taking my rubber band and securing it, making sure it's nice and snug, not too tight that your hair is going to break or whatever. And then you're just going to give it a little tug. And then I'm going to take some more Shine and Jam, making sure my hair is nice and sleek. You're just going to take the bigger piece, the 10 strands that you have left, and you're just going to place it on the top and braid it all the way down. Very easy. Oh my gosh. This right here is easy. And my hair, because the color is black, I don't even have to do much like hiding my natural hair, tucking it, anything like that. Using 2 packs of this yarn right here, and I'm telling you, the yarn is really nice and light. So once you get to the bottom right there, you're just gonna tie a little knot at the end, guys. That way you do not have to work tight. That way it does not unravel. So I'm going to show you guys again. You're just going to take the rubber band out, take your Shine and Jam, apply it to the scalp, section your hair into 2, take the little piece, which is the 5 strands of the yarn, okay, placing it in the middle, and then taking the rubber band, the same rubber band, to secure it. Once you're done securing with the rubber band, you're just gonna give yourself a little tug, making sure it's nice and snug on the bottom, taking a little bit more of the Shine and Jam, applying it to the remaining of the hair, and then you're just gonna take the remaining 10 pieces of the yarn, the bigger piece, and you're just gonna place it on the top and braid it all the way down. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Once you get to the bottom right there, you're just gonna tie a little knot at the end, guys. That way you do not have to work twice. That way it does not unravel. Today's shout out goes to the universe of self-love. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I really appreciate it, sis. You are a real one today. Okay, sis. Today is the last day to enter the giveaway. So if you have not entered the giveaway yet, sis, you better go check out my previous video, okay? For the giveaway instructions. Make sure you watch the whole video though, okay? Do not enter the giveaway on this video, sis. It is actually on the previous video. I'm going to link it in the description below, and I'm also going to put it up somewhere here on top right here. It is open worldwide, sis, okay? So make sure you enter the giveaway, and it is closing tonight, and I will be announcing the winners tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow is the day, sis. So good luck to each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all the support that you guys have given me on my channel, and I just wanted to give you guys back a little bit, you know, just to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Take your shine and jam, apply it to the scalp. Take the little piece, which is the 5 strands of the yarn, okay, placing it in the middle, using the rubber band to secure it. Your hair into 2, give it a little tug. Take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to your natural hair. And then taking the bigger piece of the yarn, you know, the 10 strands that you have on the side, and you're just gonna place it on the top right there and start braiding down. So once you get to where you want your braid to stop, you're just gonna tie a little knot at the end. Anyway, guys, so I'm going to show you again on the top right there. Just gonna take your shine and jam, apply it to the scalp, section your hair into 2, take the little piece, which is the 5 strands of the yarn, okay, placing it in the middle, and then taking the rubber band, the same rubber band, to secure it. You're just gonna give it a little tug. Take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to the remaining of your hair, and then you're just gonna take the bigger piece, you're just gonna place it on the top and braid it all the way down. Even if you do not know how to braid this right here, sis, let me tell you, you're gonna thank me later. You're gonna be like, Tupo, where have you been all my life? I've been around, you just didn't know about me. Anyway, oh my gosh, when I'm this hype, it means this style is so easy. Anybody beginner friendly, anybody can actually do this. I mean, sisters, we are out here trying to look cute. We are almost in November. I mean, 2022, we're about to be looking cute. Braiding, I'm just gonna take my coconut oil, mixing with my Jamaican black castor oil, and make sure my scalp is nice and moisturized. You guys already know how I feel about moisturizing your scalp when you're getting your protective styles, okay? And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna use my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure these baby hairs are nice and laid. And you guys already know I'm using this brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to be using my styling strips just to make sure my edges are laid, honey. I'm gonna be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So I'm just gonna be adding this gold accessories on the bottom where I have the little knot at the end right there. I do not like to burn the ends of the yarn, sis. That's just my preference. Baby, when I tell you these yarn braids came all the way through, yes, sis, I am living for these yarn braids right here, nice and light, of course, you know what it is. I like me some shoulder length or whatever, but you can rock them long, you can rock them waist length. You can do whatever you want, especially that it's yarn. You can actually do whatever you want. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can also rock the same yarn in braids and in the same, you know, rubber band method. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. You know me, I gotta give give you a little styles here and there, baby, and they are coming all the way through. Okay, nobody's gonna know this is yarn. How about that? Nobody is gonna know this is yarn. This right here is actually the truth, okay? And it's actually very, very light, you know, very, very tension free. It doesn't hurt at all. Oh my gosh, I am living for these braids right here. Let me know if you guys are feeling them. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying them. Let me know if you guys want me to try the same braids or whatever, longer or, you know, another color. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. I really, really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.